Hello, everyone. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Dimitar Savov. I'm the CEO of Skillplate. I will be giving you a full presentation about what you can do with Skillplate, how you can use it, how you can use it to create your business, to come up with ideas for your products, to create different digital products and services like online courses, memberships, communities, um, downloadable products, and even services like coaching, consulting, and some people even do web design and normal traditional services as well and try to digitalize them. And then I will also show you how to create your website, how to create powerful offers so that you can actually sell the products that you have created, and also how to use pretty much every single feature of Skillplate, from the products, the website builder, even to small features like the webhooks, discounts, email notifications, and so on. So let's start with a quick overview. First of all, Skillplate is an all-in-one platform that allows you to run your business and sell digital products and services. Basically, when you register, you will end up in the admin area where you will see a bit of a checklist. This is the first thing that we are going to start doing when we pass through the overview. And Skillplate consists of a few different systems. First of all, we have the admin, where you can manage your entire business. You can see you have orders here, products, users, managing your website. Right now, this is called notifications, but in the future, it will become marketing, and you'll be able to manage not just email marketing, but also ad campaigns and many other things. You can upload your files, so we host your files as well. You have discounts and a bunch of different settings for your business. So the way it works is we have kind of two ways of working. One is the quick and simple Automagic website, where when you go in and create a product, like for example, I have created my online course on e-commerce mastery here, you can create your digital product, add the settings and the content, and then this will result in an automagically created landing page that uses the Automagic website. So the Automagic website is really quick and dirty and very simple. You set it up by just adding your logo and branding and fonts, and then adding your products, and now you automatically have a website. You can see here, this is the one that I use, just because it's very quick and easy, and it allows you to have a listing of your products, and then each product has its own product page, so people can see all the content. This page is entirely controlled by the settings and the content that you put inside the course. And then people can see all the information about it. So these pages are actually very good because they are quick and dirty and simple. They are just made by the golden standard so that there is no friction, and it's very fast to do it. And you will see this is my actual course on Google Ads. It has 17 modules, 73 lessons, and this page looks like a traditional course page. That's why it's so simple. You can add a video, describe the product, tell people who you are, add all the additional resources that you provide, and it basically showcases all the value that that you can showcase to present your product well. Then the next system is the checkout, which is where you will be collecting payments. And there you can see an overview of the product, what you're buying, the pricing plan, all the settings, invoices, and so on. And people can pay you. And you can, of course, brand this as well using the branding settings with your own branding. And you can have different products, and you can use this to launch basically in a few hours. Just go ahead, and when you start, it will look like that. It will have no branding, and then when you just add your logos and branding, it will start looking like your own brand, and then everything gets added. And finally, when people buy it, they will go into the members area, they will get an account, and they will see all the products that they have access to. That would be, in my case, you can see I have access to a lot of things. You can have courses here, you can have communities, downloadable products, coaching products, and many other things that I'll be showing you in this thing. And the members area actually has two very important functions. First, it allows people to use the products that they purchased and consume them. And second, which is also very important for our business, is that it is a tool to upsell. So when people buy one of your products or tool or bundle, they can go inside and see what other things you are selling and eventually buy something else. Right now, they have to go through the checkout, but in the future, we'll also be implementing one-click upsells so that they can buy more and more content. And there's a lot of updates coming into that. You can check out our video on the roadmap that's coming about next week for more updates on that. And when you brand it, it can look dramatically different. Like you can see, this is mine, and it's branded with just like a dark and purple branding, and this is kind of how my academy looks like. And you can see you have all of your modules and content and resources over here, and everything that people need to do to go over their courses, lessons, videos, resources, and even things like exams can be done over here through this members area, where people can basically use their products in a very, very nice, very well designed way. Of course, when you slap your branding on it, you will see how, for example, this is how an example for Y Combinator looks that we did, and it looks completely different, but again, very quick and simple. And then finally, you go back to the admin where you start managing your orders, your customers. You can see for each of your products how much sales you have, how many students you have, and you can completely manage your business from here. And I'll be showing how to do all of that from all sides. So additionally, once you start creating your websites, most likely the standard Automagic website is not going to be enough for you. That's why we have built the best website builder in the world, at least in my opinion, that allows you to create your website using one of the pre-built themes or using your own branding with the starter themes, which are, in my opinion, the coolest, and I'll show you how they look. And so this is kind of how things can look when you have when you're using the website builder. We have different themes for things like, for example, beauty and maybe something more marketing focused, or like a package of different things and selling different kinds of products. You can also have maybe like a software academy or courses on web development or a community. You can do some like financial education. There's a lot of different themes, like we have also templates for fitness influencers and so on. But this is actually on the back, it's actually the same theme. So it's basically just a customization with some images on how you can style everything. And I will be, when we get to the website section, I will be showing you how to do all of these things and how you can use the website builder to create any type of page you want, from your entire website with your like home pages and about pages and contacts, to landing pages and funnels, and even specialized pages for like specific offers, like your Black Friday deals or a Christmas offer, or even a specific offer targeted to a specific client.